Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces into true havens. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining immense popularity, and for very good reason, the outdoor garden, kitchen design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. It's more than just a place to cook outside. It's a lifestyle upgrade, a social hub, and an extension of your home's living area. If you've ever dreamt of hosting unforgettable gatherings, enjoying al fresco meals under the stars, or simply taking your culinary skills outdoors, then this video is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about designing, building, and equipping the perfect outdoor kitchen. So, let's get started. Let's begin by clearly defining what we mean by outdoor garden kitchen design. It's more than just setting up a barbecue grill on your patio. An outdoor garden kitchen is a fully functional culinary space integrated into your garden or backyard environment. It typically includes permanent or semi-permanent fixtures, such as built-in grills, countertops, sinks, and often refrigeration, storage, and even pizza ovens. The design aspect encompasses the layout, the selection of materials, the consideration of aesthetics, and the integration with the surrounding landscape. It's about creating a cohesive, attractive, and highly practical area where you can prepare, cook, and serve food, often with dedicated dining and entertaining zones nearby. Essentially, it's bringing the functionality and comfort of your indoor kitchen to the great outdoors, tailored to withstand various weather conditions and blend seamlessly with your garden's aesthetic. Now, let's explore why an outdoor garden kitchen is such a worthwhile investment and what tangible benefits it brings. The advantages extend far beyond mere convenience. Firstly, it significantly expands your entertaining capabilities. Imagine hosting parties where you're not constantly shuttling food back and forth between your indoor kitchen and the patio. An outdoor kitchen allows you to stay engaged with your guests while you cook, creating a more relaxed and social atmosphere. Secondly, it reduces the heat and lingering odors indoors, especially during warmer months. Cooking heavy meals in your indoor kitchen can quickly raise the internal temperature of your home, making it uncomfortable. An outdoor kitchen eliminates this issue. Thirdly, it adds significant value to your property. A well-designed and functional outdoor kitchen is a highly desirable amenity that can set your home apart in the real estate market. It demonstrates a thoughtful approach to outdoor living and a commitment to quality. Furthermore, it encourages a healthier lifestyle by making outdoor dining and cooking more appealing. It also creates a dedicated zone for relaxation and family time, fostering more opportunities for connection and enjoyment of your outdoor space. Designing an outdoor garden kitchen that is not only functional but also visually appealing requires careful consideration of several key elements. The goal is to create a space that feels like a natural extension of your home and garden rather than an afterthought. Start by considering the overall style of your home and garden. Do you have a modern, rustic, traditional, or contemporary aesthetic? Your outdoor kitchen should complement this existing style. Material selection plays a crucial role. Choose durable, weather-resistant materials that also enhance the visual appeal. This includes natural stone, brick, stainless steel, marine-grade polymer cabinetry, and high-quality hardwoods that are treated for outdoor use. Think about the layout and flow. Position your kitchen in a way that is convenient for accessing. Your indoor kitchen, dining areas, and any other outdoor living zones. Incorporate thoughtful lighting, ambient lighting for general illumination, task lighting over cooking surfaces, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or landscaping. Integrating greenery and natural elements will also enhance the beauty. Consider built-in planters or surrounding the kitchen with lush landscaping. Finally, pay attention to details like cohesive color palettes, high-quality fixtures, and comfortable seating to ensure the entire space is inviting and harmonious. When equipping your outdoor garden kitchen, selecting the right items is paramount for both functionality and longevity. The best items are those that are specifically designed for outdoor use, durable, and suited to your cooking habits and entertaining needs. Primarily, the grill is often the centerpiece. Consider a high-quality built-in gas grill for convenience, a charcoal grill for different flavor profiles, or even a smoker for specialized cooking. Look for robust construction, ideally in stainless steel, to withstand the elements. An accompanying side burner is extremely useful for preparing sauces, boiling pasta, or sautéing vegetables while the main grill is in use, preventing the need to go back indoors. For keeping beverages and perishable ingredients chilled and easily accessible, an outdoor refrigerator is crucial. Ensure it's specifically rated for outdoor use to handle temperature fluctuations. A dedicated sink and faucet make prep and cleanup significantly easier, eliminating constant trips inside. Opt for marine-grade stainless steel for durability. Essential for organization, storage drawers and cabinets are vital for housing utensils, cooking tools, serving platters, and other necessities. Ensure they are weather-resistant and seal tightly to protect contents. Beyond these essentials, desirable additions include a pizza oven, fantastic for entertaining and diverse cooking, and a bar area with a beverage cooler and seating for an elevated entertaining experience. An integrated trash compartment keeps waste out of sight and deters pests, while a vent hood can be beneficial for smoke management in more enclosed setups. Lastly, strategically placed outdoor-rated power outlets are convenient for small appliances and thoughtful lighting, including task lighting over cooking surfaces and ambient lighting for atmosphere, along with comfort elements like patio. Heaters or fans will extend the usability and enjoyment of your outdoor kitchen. Selecting these items with durability and functionality in mind will ensure your outdoor garden kitchen serves you well for many years to come. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here, these the collection of the 10 best outdoor garden kitchen design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the rustic farmhouse retreat. This design embraces natural, reclaimed materials like weathered barnwood for cabinetry fronts, natural stone for countertops and grill surrounds, and perhaps a large, reclaimed wood beam acting as a pergola support. Incorporate an oversized farmhouse sink and a traditional wood-fired pizza oven to complete the look. 2. Sleek modern oasis. Characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and often a monochromatic color scheme. Stainless steel appliances are prominent, paired with polished concrete countertops, smooth stone veneers, or even engineered composite panels for cabinetry. Integrated LED lighting and linear planters enhance the contemporary feel. 3. Mediterranean courtyard kitchen. Drawing inspiration from Southern European architecture, this design features stucco finishes in warm, earthy tones, terracotta tiles, and wrought iron accents. A built-in wood-fired oven is a must, and perhaps a small herb garden integrated into the kitchen's perimeter. 4. Tropical island bar, perfect for poolside or lush garden settings. This design incorporates materials like bamboo, exotic hardwoods like IP or teak, and vibrant mosaic tiles. A prominent bar counter with stools, a built-in blender station, and a mini fridge are key components. 5. Compact corner cook station. Ideal for smaller backyards, this design maximizes efficiency by fitting a grill, a small prep area, and potentially a mini fridge into a corner configuration. Built-in storage is cleverly integrated, and vertical gardening elements can be added to soften the hardscape. 6. Outdoor living room integration. Rather than a standalone kitchen, this design seamlessly blends the cooking area with a larger outdoor living space. It might feature a built-in outdoor couch and fire pit adjacent to the kitchen, using cohesive materials and a unified design language to create a single, harmonious entertainment zone. 7. Chef's Dream Kitchen. This design prioritizes high-performance appliances and ample prep space. Think multiple grills, gas and charcoal, a dedicated smoker, a large double sink, extensive counter space, and professional-grade storage solutions. Material choices would lean towards durable stainless steel and high-quality natural stone. 8. Kitchen under a pergola, a popular choice for added shade and architectural interest. The pergola can be draped with climbing vines for a natural, organic feel or fitted with retractable shades for flexible sun protection. The kitchen structure itself is built beneath the pergola, creating a defined outdoor room. 9. Coastal Charm Kitchen utilizes light and airy materials, often in shades of white, gray, and natural wood. Distressed wood, wicker elements, and perhaps shell or pebble accents are common. The focus is on a relaxed, breezy atmosphere with comfortable seating and open-air elements. 10. Garden-to-table kitchen. This design emphasizes sustainability and fresh produce. It incorporates dedicated raised garden beds or planters for herbs and vegetables directly adjacent to the prep area. The kitchen itself might feature a composting station and a focus on natural, untreated materials where possible. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing your perfect outdoor garden kitchen. From understanding its true meaning to exploring its myriad benefits, and from selecting the best components to drawing inspiration from beautiful design ideas, you now have the knowledge to embark on your own outdoor culinary adventure. Remember, an outdoor kitchen isn't just an addition to your home. It's an investment in your lifestyle, providing a wonderful space for entertaining, relaxing, and creating lasting memories with family and friends. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas to elevate your outdoor living space. We're always bringing you the best tips and tricks to transform your garden into a dream oasis. If you have any questions or have an amazing outdoor kitchen of your own, share it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.